after that, so today again a new topic we have to discuss here is the finding the inverse of a matrix by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. What is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem tells? Look it, we are looking. The Cayley-Hamilton theorem tells if every square matrix it satisfies its characteristics equation. Every square matrix satisfies its characteristics. What is the characteristics? If any eigenvalue for the square matrix, this matrix having size of 2 by 2, this characteristics tells if you find the eigenvalue for this matrix, you will get as a lambda square minus 7 lambda plus ka 12. In the value of lambda, you put the value of, in the place of lambda, you put value of a. So a square minus 7a plus 12i. That is 0. Not a 0, that is a null matrix. So this characteristic will always to be satisfied. So advantage of this is that we can find the A inverse very easily in such case that you can use this A inverse means a to the power minus 1. You take out A inverse, multiply to this section, you will get minus 7a 12 into a minus 1 because 12 is a constant. So if you multiply A inverse, it comes to be A inverse. So A inverse value is 7 times of I minus a divided by 12. If you take a common of in this equation A, you get this expression. After that, this is the first step you have to do. The second step tells we can express a to the power and in a linear power of a and I. Then you have to convert the power of a and I in linear power, means 1 1. So it is to be a square equals to 7i minus 12 because 7i is here, or minus 12i. Minus 12i because if you multiply with the power a inverse both the sides. So it comes to be a cube 7a square and 12a. If you multiply with this equation with a, and how you get this equation? From this equation. This equation we have written. After that, you substitute the value of a square what you got here. Take in both of them. In the place of a square, you have put in 7a minus ka 12 minus ka 12a. Once again, if you open this bracket, because you already got a square value, you put it here, and again you simplify, you got this expression. In shortcut of a square matrix, you can tell to expressing the a to the power k, means k can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be any numbers, is equals to a times of a plus b times of I, that is b times of I. So we can find the lambda 1 and lambda 2 by these two equations of a, solving lambda 1 equals to k, a lambda 1 plus b, and you can solve lambda 2 to the power k, a lambda 2 plus b. Solving these two equations, you will get a and b value. Say for example, if a matrix given minus 3, 2, 1 and 0, a to the power 9 value, to find this very easy. How? Because this formula we have learned now. A to the power 9 means a times of a. So we don't know about a. The a times of a plus b times of I. It means a value is this and b value is this. So lambda 1 to the power k, lambda 2 to the power k, solving these two equations, and you will get a as a 511, b as a 210, where a and b is unknown thing. Only you know is lambda value minus 1 minus 2, you substitute here, you will get the answer. Understood? Eigenvector for a non-zero vectors is x is said to be an eigenvector of a matrix A, the corresponding to the eigenvalue of lambda. For eigenvector, we will find out around corresponding the eigenvalue. Before eigenvector, we need to find out the eigenvalue. How to find eigenvalue? I have told you in the previous slide. So how to find the eigenvector is a minus lambda times of I into x. That also I will tell you in previous slide. In that, no problem. Only you need to find out lambda. In lambda 1, lambda 2 also we call it as a value. A value you got it here. A value is lambda value. Lambda 1 value is minus 1 minus 2. You substitute here and read all the slides and copy down and make a notes of it. Okay. So now we are looking for the next observation. We have learned the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now we are looking about the what are the observation. The first observation tells the eigenvector is always a non-zero vector. The eigenvector is always a non-zero vector. means it should be containing some values like 2i plus j, some lambda 1 lambda 2 values should be contained. Point number 2, the corresponding to the each eigenvalue infinite many eigenvectors are exist, means each eigenvalue, we'll look into the example, this number example based upon this concept. Among the infinity many eigenvectors, few eigenvectors are linearly independent, that is, for eigenvectors are called geometric multiplicity of an eigenvalue. Lambda equals to the number of linearly independent eigenvectors. What is mean by that? We have discussed in previous slide also, some lambda value has repeated value. For that also they are telling, for a few eigenvectors are geometrically multiplicity. Geometrically multiplicity means they all exist same value. For same value the eigenvector cannot be changed, so there is a geometrically multiplicity, means both the vectors have collinear, both are overlapping each other, of an eigenvalue of lambda, that is number of linearly independent eigenvectors. They are independent of eigenvectors. Let's suppose the number of linearly independent eigenvector is n minus r, where r is the rank of matrix, means a minus ka lambda I, where a is the matrix minus lambda into I. Whatever getting the rank of the matrix equals to the r value. N is the order of the matrix, that cannot be changed. The order of the matrix is fixed. Based upon that, property number 4, if the geometrical mean and arithmetic mean should be less than that for every eigenvectors. If you get the geometrical multiplicity of geometrical multiplicity of that eigenvectors is less than equal to the arithmetic multiplicity of for every eigenvalues, for every eigenvalues. This is the case. For question number 1 tells, if a vectors given like 2, minus 1, 2 and 5, the eigenvector to find out, we know the basic formula is lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2. So lambda square minus 7 lambda plus s2 equals to 0. So lambda is 3 and 4. For eigenvector for a corresponding is, take first value lambda equals to 3 and you do this expression. What is written here? A minus ka lambda times of I into x equals to 0. That is the form to get a matrix, means eigenvalue eigenvector. So a minus 3i equals to x equals to 0. We know already a value is, a means this matrix, a minus 3i into x, x means the column matrix is x comma y. So minus x minus y equals to 0. Because the rank of the matrix is 1, so this rank of the matrix is 1. So let y equals to k and x equals to minus k. Y equals to k and x equals to minus k, then the eigenvector is x equals to x and y equals to k, in both the side will common out, minus 1 by 1, that is the k value is 1, 2 and 3 and so on. Similarly do for a eigenvector for a lambda value is 4. So the previous questions, the shortcut is, for finding the lambda value is shortcut 2, minus 1, 2 and 5, the sum of eigenvectors. This shortcut applicable for only a square matrix of size 2. So determinant value is 12, lambda value 3 and 4. The product of this determinant value is 12, it means the lambda value is 3 and 4. That can be satisfied because sum of eigenvector is equal to 7 is given, 100%. So lambda 1, lambda 2, the sum of lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is 7 and product is 12. The lambda value is required is 3 and 4. Without solving anything, you can just by it by looking the answers. So next property is for finding the eigenvalue of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. These properties are valid for every eigenvalue for required lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. First property tells, if the lambda 1, lambda 2 or lambda 3 are given for a given matrix, so transpose of this A to the power transpose is same for the lambda value also same. No change in matrix A and matrix A of transpose. Nothing is a change. For matrix of A having lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, if the square of the matrix A, then lambda value also getting a square. Lambda 1 square, lambda 2 square, lambda 3 square. If A to the power any power of k, then lambda power also k. The trace of A is equals to the eigenvalues of, sum of eigenvalues of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. That is very important. The determinant of value A equals to the product of the equal. Means we'll look at the example also. The A inverse equals to 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2, lambda 3. Means whatever property satisfied with A, the same property will satisfy with lambda also. Adjoint A equals to determinant A by lambda 1, determinant A by lambda 2, determinant A by lambda 3. That is this property. Remaining two property also there. The function of a polynomial of f to the power n a is equals to a naught a to the power k, a1 a to the power k minus 1, and dot 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 a and I. That is the function of a polynomial in terms of a. Then the function of lambda is an eigenvalue of f of a, what it is. Say for example, if a eigenvector of a size of matrix 3 by 3 is given as 2, 6 and 3. What is the property for determinant a value? 2 into 6 into 3. The trace of a value is 2 plus 6 plus 3. The determinant a to the power transpose value is 2, 6 and 3. A inverse of a matrix equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 3. The adjoint a equals to 36 by 2. AQ minus 2a square plus 33i is equals to the 2q minus 2 into 2a square plus 3 minus 3. And similarly, put all the lambda value in this expression, you will get the three many different values answer. In the place of a, we have put lambda 1. Similarly, in the place of a, we have put lambda 2 also, lambda 3 also. So, any matrix, it is equivalent to the eigenvalue, is equivalent to the eigenvectors. So, understand, that is the basic behind this. For all integer power of x and integer power of x, the eigenvalue of lambda is not affected by the eigenvectors. The eigenvalue of lambda is not affected the eigenvectors. That is a square minus lambda square is x alone. A to the power k, lambda power k is not finding. The result is for eigenvalue of the upper triangular matrix and the lower triangular matrix are diagonally matrix, are just diagonal matrix only. Module number 1, for a given matrix A, finding the eigenvalue of this matrix. It is upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. The eigenvalue of the matrix A is trace of 3A. Determinant is AQ minus 2A. The eigenvalue of this matrix is lower triangular, upper triangular matrix. The trace of A is this, determinant this, product of the following matrix is this. That is the required answer. Any doubt in this? So that was the module 1. Now we are reading about module number 2. Module 2 tells for a given matrix A and eigenvalue lambda, finding the eigenvector of x. That question asked most of the time in Korean. For a matrix A has given 3 minus 2 2, 0 minus 2 1, 0 0 1. The upper triangular matrix A has one of the eigenvalue is minus 2. The corresponding eigenvector is what it is. So A minus lambda I equals to x, where we know about 1 lambda, we know about minus 2. That is the eigenvalue. So lambda value will put here, minus 2 here, and this matrix A into x equals to lambda times of x. So lambda minus 2, x is xyz, and matrix of A. Multiply and solve it by the options. You can look at which option to satisfy this. So option I think D will satisfy to xyz value on both the side. That will get the answers. Okay. So next question is, for shortcut this question, the verification of eigenvectors is equals to A minus lambda I equals to x equals to 0. 0 not a learn matrix or 0 value. So Ax equals to lambda times of x. You multiply with A with x is equals to lambda times of x. Satisfy. For always unique solution, there should be infinitely many solution is to be there. For an infinite many solution is to be there. Always unique solution. The case 2, this is the answer for this region. Case number 2, the value of k such that for the vectors is an eigenvector. The matrix has given both, that they are asking what is the eigenvector for this matrix. So Ax equals lambda x, A has given, lambda x value is given. What is the value of k? You just put this value, and we don't know about k, right? We don't know about k. Just we need to find out the k. Okay, but we should be knowing about lambda value. We'll look at हम लोग इसको आगे भी पढ़ेंगे कैसे इसको फाइंड करेंगे लैम्डा की वैल्यू और के की वैल्यू दोनों इक्वेशन में. ठीक है. सो in the previous slide I have told you the question number case 2 is the value of k such that the vector of given 1, 2 and k is an eigenvector of this matrix. Then find the value of lambda as well as k value. Basically we need to find the k, but we don't know about lambda also. So for lambda we generally can find with the matrix of A, because we know the matrix of A value, so we can get the lambda value. We'll substitute here. So lambda and multiplying both the equal to sign is there. So row multiply with column, this row multiply with column, this row multiply with column. So you will get this result. What is there? So 6 plus 2k for multiplying first row with second column means next column, that first value, second value, third value. That is equals to lambda multiply with the inside of a matrix, lambda to 1 lambda, lambda to 2 lambda, similarly k lambda. Both the equation equate x part with x part, y part with y part, z part with z part. Equate these two and you will get the lambda value such like that, and you can get the three equations solved by this. You will get lambda and k value separately. So k value getting 3, k value getting 3 and lambda equals to 12. After substituting k equals to 3, you will get lambda value also. That is such kind of question will ask in your exam. The question number 2 tells, that is the material problem. The matrix A has given, matrix X is given 1 to k. They ask you to find out the k value and as well as p value also. Do it on your own and ask in your comments. The property number 3 tells, if the pair of the eigenvectors of the matrix given A, then what are the options to be true? So for A is given, what is the lambda eigenvalue is lambda square minus s1 lambda plus s2, where s1 is the sum of the diagonal element, 0 plus 0, 0. So lambda value is become plus minus I, lambda means eigenvalue. You will get eigenvalue as plus minus I. Put here ax plus lambda x equals to, so A you know, lambda you don't know, so we find out a lambda here plus x, substitute here. By looking at this option you can't say anything, we need to further solve it. So I will create some space, by the time you can copy this. Okay, so in the previous question I have stopped it here. So after that you need to multiply these two matrices, row with column you will get minus y, row with column you will get x, and in this I into x, ixy, y into y, yy. Equate it, x coordinate with x coordinate, y coordinate with y coordinate. So y equals to xy, x equals to yi. Put y value in this equation or x value in this equation. So you will get as minus y equals to this, putting in this. So y into I into, already I is there. So I into I, yi is as per minus 1. This also minus 1, hence proved. Similarly, x also you put, you will get x equals to x. It means that x square plus y square equals to 0. If you put this value in this equation, you get this expression, and if you put this value in this, then what you will get? If you get it, you will get this answer result after all. The next question tells, the pair of eigenvectors of the matrix is A1 to 0 2 is A option given, B option given, C option given, D option given. Upper triangle matrix is given as lambda value 1 and 2. This is the upper triangle matrix 1 and 2. Eigenvalue of this eigenvalue is 1 and 2, very easy. So the 1 and lambda 2, lambda value we put 1, so we will get x and y. After whatever I did here, same operation here. Multiply the LHS part equals to RHS part. You will get which of option is satisfied. You can choose the value and get the answer. Option A is satisfied is the answer.